aspects of water. What you have is the masterpiece known as the waterfall swing. The swing allows riders to glide back and forth, but with a cool twist. Water pours from overhead for the ride. However, amazingly, the swingers do not get wet. Each time the rider passes under the top frame piece, the water halts briefly, leaving a gap for the person to swing through. A downpour of water hits the ground immediately after the swinger is safely through. The set is constructed of an 18-foot steel-framed swing carrying 2 seats, which are both held by steel cables.